Hey, how are you doing, Monis? Are you guys enjoying this scene? How do you like this? Do you see the snow at the back somewhere? Let me see if I can keep my hand stable. Ooh. This is better, huh? Look at those beautiful clouds. Oh man, I can't turn back. All right, let's check out this place. Well, thank you for that heart. Isn't this a beautiful view here? What do you guys say? Move to the right. Hey Bill, how you doing? Doo-doo, choo, 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 choo. Next time I'll do this on a stand, eh? Whoa. Okay, where is the sky? Do you see any shapes in the clouds? Take a deep breath and let go. What a mindful moment this is. All right, who's this guy? Ooh, my hand's tired. That's all right. I want to give you guys this view. Sitting at home, so I thought I'll give you a view of nature, the way everything is looking here. And I'm actually sitting on a water tank here. Yeah. And there's a jungle behind me and the mountain. So this is my mountain, yeah. So this is where I come and hang out. Oh, check those clouds out. All right. So you got a 3D effect here of the clouds moving. Okay, so focus on the moving clouds. Check out these shapes of clouds. This is called cloud watching, eh? See the shapes, they change. Use your perception to see different things within clouds. They always makes different shapes. Example, you see this, the not the clouds, but the sky in between the clouds. So you see a man and a two arms kind of a thing. And here's the crow. All right, where are you going, buddy? Oh, he's circling me. Alright, no problem. Alright, let me show you something else, eh? Alright guys, is that enough? Or do you guys want more? Give me a comment so I know whether you want more or are you bored. Isn't this beautiful, man? Smile. Whoa. When was the last time you saw a clear sky like this one with clouds and so on and so forth? And it's about to rain in a little while, but then again we got rain coming from that side and the sun coming from this side. Yo. Jannat, right? Yes, that's true. This, Umar, yes, absolutely right. This is Jannat, yeah. This is where I come to meditate and do some meditation and do some reflective thinking and get a bird eye view of things. We get trapped into those little mazes of ours and we forget the big picture. So, where's the big picture? Oh, here's the big picture. What's the big picture of your life? Well, the fact is that you're alive and you're breathing and you're enjoying this life and this world. Well, okay, some turbulences, but don't mind the turbulences. This too is passing. You remember the saying, this too shall pass? I've actually sort of like made a newer version of this, or my own version. This too shall pass. This too is passing. So when you say something in the present moment, it's an affirmation and goes into your belief system and then works wonders on your thinking processes rather than being driven by fear all the time. So yeah, this is the bird eye view. It's good to maintain a bird eye view. You're alive, you're kicking, you're breathing. Yeah. So what if you're confined in quarantine in your homes? No problem at all. Do something worthwhile. Yeah, do some nice reading. Do some photography if you can. Go out and sit in the sun sometimes alone by yourself, or go on top of your roof. Yeah, and enjoy the views from there. Or just simply close your eyes and visualize this scene. Take a deep breath and let go. Nice. Nice. Imagine you are here with me, sitting right next to me. Are you enjoying this view? Nice. Well, thank you, folks. This is all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, you see a rabbit? All right, you see a rabbit. If you see it this way, maybe a rabbit or maybe something else. Oops. It says rotate your phone. All right. Thank you for watching, folks. I just thought I'll share this bird eye view with you guys. And I hope you enjoyed. And this is the view that I have right now. So check out this crow. Where are you going, buddy? A smooth flight. That's a raven. Whoops. Okay, that's all, folks. Bye. Hope you enjoyed.